Hi, my name is Johan. I'm your instructor. So let me give you a little background about myself so that you can get to know me. First of all, I'm French and American. I live in America. I've been here for more than 15 years now. I have a degree in computer science and in mathematics. Now, the reason why I chose computer science and mathematics is that I'm a very creative person and I like to build things. I love arts such as drawing or 3D animations, and I love music. And what I love about computer science is that I can get to use all these graphic arts and all this music and put it together and make apps and games. So computer science for me is definitely the way to go. Now, something else you want to know about myself, I've been teaching in college and online for now more than 7 or 8 years, and I love it. And I got a little bit of fame in magazines such as Wired News or Forbes Online, Yahoo, and so on, because I came up with this technique of helping people that have no experience with games and apps, and they were able to publish their games with no experience in less than a day and put it in the iTunes App Store. And some of my students ended up in the top 10 worldwide. Now, I don't know if you understand what that means, but my students were able to beat teams like the Candy Crush team, which is King, or even Clash of Clans. Yes, they were placed higher than these people in the iTunes App Store. And I'm very proud of them, and I wish I could do it myself. I did reach top 10 with a medical app, but I've never made it to the top first spot or second spot like they did. By the way, if you want to know more about this, I do have a podcast, so just Google it. It's called the Mobile App Flipping and the Reskinning Podcast. It's on iTunes and on any many other different platforms. So if there's something you want to know more about myself, feel free to ask me. If not, there's something else I'd like to ask you is tell me more about yourself and why you're taking this class and what do you want from this class.